Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about birthday. This is English learning channel and you are watching videos, and I am sharing my experience, old experience, that how I started learning English language and while living in a village area, because you know that when you live in a village area where there no facilities are available, no access of internet, then there are a lot of problems, and if you are belonging to a middle family, then you face a lot of problems. You can't get books to improve your English language. How I made myself a little able to speak broken English language, I will share this in this video, and I will also talk about birthday, because today is the 3rd March and 3rd March is my birthday, and I never celebrated my birthday again. And because you know that in village area there is no custom of celebrating the birthdays. Only those people celebrate the birthdays who are highly rich and they spend money on some kind of activities such as birthday, but mostly people don't celebrate their birthday. The main reason is that they are middle standard of community. They are poor people, and this is the reason that they are not celebrating the birthday. I myself never celebrated my birthday, and because I thought that today is my birthday and I should share videos about birthday. This is English learning channel, but I think that it is very important to listen or watch videos of all topics. When you would listen or watch videos of all topics, this will be helpful for you to grow your talent, to increase your vocabulary, because when you watch same videos, then same vocabulary is coming in your mind. But for new vocabulary, new sentences, new words, I think that watch English language videos again and again. When you will watch some videos again and again, those the sentences or words would become the part of your memory. If you watch this video again and again, today you watch this video, after 2 days you again watch this video, then the sentences or words spoken in this video will be the part of your memory. Gradually and slowly you will be fluent in English language. So I suggest you that what kind of videos come in front of you, watch them in English language, and especially watch those videos where there you are interested in. If you are a beginner in English learning and you want to improve in English language, then I think that listen or watch videos of your native English language speakers, because their accent is understandable and you will understand in proper way. If you watch the videos of international speakers, then their accent might be different and you will face a lot of problems while understanding their accent in the beginning. When you feel that you are able to understand better English language, then you can listen the accent of different nationalities. Those will help you. So I think that today was my birthday, and I thought that I should make a video to tell you about birthday, and I never celebrated my birthday before, and in future I am hopeful that I will celebrate my birthday, and then I will show a beautiful video in front of you. Until then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.